There are billions of microorganisms living inside of us. This is called the human microbiome. The bacteria living inside our mouth is known as the oral microbiome. Most of these bacteria are harmless to us. In fact, many of them are beneficial, helping to keep our teeth and gums healthy. Our lifestyle choices, like smoking, taking antibiotic treatments, and using dental brands which contain harsh ingredients, can wipe out good and bad bacteria. This disturbs the natural balance and can cause dental issues like cavities, bad breath, and gum problems, as we need the good bacteria. The great news is that we can keep our oral microbiome balanced with dental probiotics. Luvbiotics uses BioNet technology with probiotics, xylitol, and natural ingredients to help balance your oral microbiome with more good bacteria than bad. Brush, cleanse, maintain with Luvbiotics toothpaste, mouthwash and lozenges for a happier, healthier mouth.